First, I'm going to introduce quantities in this physics class. Is this internet service fast or slow? As a matter of fact, fast or slow are relative, qualitative descriptions. People can have different opinions based on their preference and standards. Some people say it's fast, some say it's slow. In our physics class, we measure with equipments. In this example, you can use internet speed test that will give you the megabits per second download speed and the megabits per second upload speed. Another example is if somebody say today is hot, is that qualitative or quantitative? Yes, you're right. It is qualitative because people have different preference and people have different experience. In physics class, as well as outside the physics class, we use a thermometer to measure the temperature. So that is a quantity. The name of the measurement would be called temperature. And the commonly used the symbol for temperature is a capital letter T. The number is, for example, 72 degrees, and the units is Fahrenheit. That's a second example we give about quantities. A student is expected to understand the different quantities that we're going to gradually introduce in this class. And in the final exam, each student will be asked to identify a quantity in a statement. For example, a piece of news statement, a quiz or a test statement. You're expected to be able to point out the name, commonly used symbol, the number, and the units. We will gradually introduce quantities including length, time, and mass, as well as other quantities that are derived from this. That will be our later lecture.